Hello, welcome to the release group 14.3 kickoff. My name is Kevin Chu. I'm the product manager. And with me today is Daniel Fosco, the product designer for the release group. To start this kickoff, Daniel's going to talk about the design work we have planned for this milestone.
Thanks, Kevin. So let me quickly share my screen. All right, so for design work in this milestone, the first order of the day is to keep working on the problem validation for the environments page. That's a survey that's going live really soon within the environments page and will give us direct user feedback on how users are interacting with that page. It falls in line with the broader team that we're working towards of environments management to improve the environments page. While that's not finished, we'll also work on approval actions for manual actions on the environments page as well, letting users know they have excessive stale environments, an ongoing problem we have, and a smaller issue to make the deploy to button more clear on the environments page. There's a few stretch goals if we manage to run through these, but essentially the continued team is to keep improving the environments page. So this first issue with the feedback will be really important for us moving forward.
Awesome. Thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome. I'll just stop sharing my screen so you can share yours.
All right. So on the delivery front, the themes we have this milestone is to complete the pages migration and re-architecture work. And also we are really focused on SaaS reliability and scalability. So you'll see in our P1 or top priority work, most of it is to complete pages migration, such as removing support for disk configuration as a source, removing the logic that was previously in there for the legacy architecture, things of that nature for us to call our re-architecture and migration effort complete. We also have some top priority issues. GitLab is going through some database re-architecture work so that we can shard our databases more effectively. And the release group is participating in that effort. So you'll see these two issues associated to that effort. When it comes to P2, we have some feature work. The first of which is enforcing the execution order of resource groups. So resource groups are a really useful feature in that they guarantee that different jobs can work simultaneously. This will create certain conflicts from happening. However, it can be better. The way it can be better is we can enforce the order by which these jobs are sequenced. This will help users that are taking advantage of resource group have more flexibility in how they execute their jobs. Next, we're working on an issue that changes how releases are used by guest users. So releases can be really useful for guest users who are not part of a project, but who wants to understand what's coming up next, what's being released. All the information pertaining to a release could be interesting across the board, not just to users who are actively working on a project. Currently, this is not possible because tag names are treated as code. And since guests can't access these tag names, that means they can't access releases, period. However, we believe that this rule should be relaxed, so we'll be working on that in this upcoming milestone. Lastly, Daniel referred to that we want to let users know when they have too much stale environments. This is a related issue that we like to do. We like to actually implement in this milestone, and that is to provide a mechanism to clean up any stopped environments. Why does this happen? for a variety of reasons, but we're going to be focused primarily on review apps. Review apps is something that gets built for a project like the GitLab handbook every single time someone creates a merge request. As you can imagine, if this is unbounded, soon you can have thousands, if not tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of environments. And sometimes people go through to stop their environments when they're not being used anymore. Instead of letting those environments sit around and take up space, take up memory when it's being executed, it can lead to problems down the line. So we're going to add this page when we're going to add this button to clean up environments. When people click on that clean up environments button, they're going to see the option to clean up old environments or deploy or environments without deployments. And when the user clicks clean up, those environments will be removed. That is all for this milestone. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Our planning issue will be linked at the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching.